In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a subscription in Notion. This process involves navigating through several settings within your Notion account to successfully terminate your subscription plan. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Type notion.so into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you will be on the Notion homepage where you can manage your account. Next, locate your profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you manage various aspects of your Notion account. After that, in the settings sidebar, click on the account option. This section will display your account details and subscription information. Look for the upgrade plan button and click on it to proceed further. Once you're on the upgrade plan page, you will see your current subscription status. Click on the active plan option to view the details of your existing subscription. This will help you confirm what plan you are currently subscribed to. Next, locate the all plans section. Clicking on this will present you with various subscription options available. From here, you can choose to switch to a different plan or proceed with cancellation. After reviewing the options, click on free if you wish to downgrade to the free version. Alternatively, if you want to cancel completely, you may also explore the options labeled Plus, Business or Enterprise to ensure you are aware of all available features. Once you've navigated through the plans, if you have an active subscription, you should see a billing option in the sidebar of your workspace. Click on Billing to access your billing information. After entering the billing section, click on Subscription. This area will provide you with the details of your current subscription along with the option to manage it. Finally, click on the Cancel Subscription button. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision to cancel, review any information provided, and confirm the cancellation. This step is crucial as it finalizes the process of terminating your subscription. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.